Welcome to another episode of Mr. Doing TV. In this episode, I'm back in my driveway doing more mods to my car. At Subaru, I've done quite a few dumb things over the years. They released this car with fixed mounting points on the roof for roof racks, but they completely covered it with the roof molding, so I had to drill through it. In the facelifted models, they put a flap in the moldings so that you can open and close to put the fixtures in. And recently, they cancelled the production of the WRX STI with the EJ motor. Another dumb thing they've done is use unequal length headers for maximum inefficiency. But one of the most annoying things they've done is give us the folding mirrors that don't fold automatically. There's a button that you can press that will fold it, but the amount of times that I forgot to unfold it or open the mirrors when I got back into my car, it's just too many. Sometimes I'll drive like 2-3 minutes down the road without realizing that my mirrors are folded in. All right, and that's where this module from Mod Society comes in. It's a plug and play, and it will make your mirrors fold automatically. Now, when I first got this car, I looked for a mod to automatically close or fold the mirrors, and I did find this. I saved it, I just didn't come back to it. But recently, Jason from Mod Society reached out and wanted to send me one of these to make a video on. And that's what we're doing here today. Okay, so currently to fold or unfold the mirrors, you have to press this button and it'll close up. All right, and that is pretty annoying because sometimes you forget to press it when you leave the car or when you get back in the car. Like I said, there are multiple times where I've got it back in the car, driven off, and forgot to open up the mirrors. And also in my driveway, I come home and I can't be bothered folding the mirrors. And sometimes I've walked across and oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, accidentally hit the mirrors. So this is going to be a very useful mod. Now, before we move on, most of you guys watching this video haven't subscribed to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support. If you find these kind of videos entertaining or useful, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe and bell icon just below. Okay, note that this mod will only work if your car has that folding button. Now, this is the premium model. What kind of model doesn't have that? I'm not sure. Maybe the base model. But if you've got this, then this module from Mod Society is definitely going to work. All right, now this mod is really simple. In the package, all you're gonna get is this module, and this module inside, there's a chip, there's a motherboard, there's something in there that gets your mirrors to fold automatically when you lock and unlock the door. It comes with this double-sided tape so that you can secure it to the door panel, and there's also this plug and play wiring harness. And this is probably the best part about it because you don't have to figure out which wire does what, which pin does what, or where to go. What tools are you going to need? Well, what you're going to need is a Phillips head, maybe a flat head, or if you have plastic trim removal tools, I would prefer to use these instead. If you don't have a plastic trim removal tool, just use a flat head, but put a rag or a towel over it, and you can use that to gently pry open or take off the door trim. All right, so the first thing you're going to do using your trim removal tool or your flathead screwdriver, you're going to open this flap here and that flap in there. What that does is reveal the Phillips screw underneath, and that secures the door trim to the actual door. All you're going to do, use your Phillips head to undo that. Keep the screws safe. I'll just close that so the flaps don't break off. Next, use your trim removal tool to take off the door trim. I bought this whole set for like 20 or 30 bucks from Supercheap Auto a few years ago, and I've still got it. This is so easy, you just hook it in and pull it out. For the door, there are pins going all the way around, so you just got to put it in and then pull it off along the side, which I'll do now. Oh. All right, and after you've gotten all of those clips undone, the door trim just lifts up and comes off. But you got to be careful not to rip it off straight away because there are some things inside that you got to undo first. All right, so inside you got to disconnect the locks. Right, and this one, same thing. Okay, let me see if I can get a better view or a better angle. Okay, so the locking looms are like a ball and socket joint, I guess. So you just gotta lift it up like that. That's out. Next are these looms. Just unplug them. I hate working in these tight areas. Far out. And if any of these clips ever fall off, don't sweat. It's really simple. They clip back on just like that. Alright. So we'll keep the door panel safe. Lay it on something. Oh, I just scratched it. Man! Alright, now's a good time to clean it as well, because your feet, when you get in and out of the car, might have scuffed this area. So if you've got the time, you've got the tools, definitely clean it while it's off the car. Alright, and we're almost done already. Super easy. Just get the wiring loom out. There's a fuse, that's a fuse. And you just plug everything in. Literally that easy. Alright, so that goes there. And what you're going to do, or what you're going to want to do, is add this double-sided tape to it. Oh, it's Velcro. Cool. Oh, it's Velcro. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I'm going to, that makes it so much easier. I'll stick this one here, and then this can go into the door trim later. Now the rest of these, you just plug back into the door. That doesn't go anywhere. Just checking to see if I've missed anything. So that goes into the door. I don't know, where do these things go? Other side of the Velcro, I think I'm just gonna place, I don't know, maybe here. And that can lay nicely right there. All right, so the other harnesses, just plug it right back in there and we should be good to go. All right, and so we're back. Just gonna test fit it, plug all the looms in. So we just literally plug it in. I'm guessing these two are probably for another car that we don't need, because they don't go anywhere unless they go in together like that. Where does this orange one go? I don't think it works like that. This doesn't go anywhere. All right, so I'm just gonna leave that undone to see if it actually does anything. If it doesn't work, then I know that I'll need to plug that in. Kind of halfway put the door panel back in, just so that I can close the door. All right, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. What? Why doesn't it work? All right, I'm an idiot. There's one thing that I forgot to connect. So these two definitely don't go together like that. I'm a complete idiot. All right, you undo this. Oh, I knew it didn't work like that. Undo this, and that goes in here. And of course this is gonna be hard to take out as well. That goes in there. That goes in there. Oh my Lord. Okay, so that goes in there. The rest of this will go into the door panel. And then now I'm 100% sure that it's gonna work. Absolute idiot. I knew it doesn't work like that. That goes in there. Now if this doesn't work, I'm gonna eat my hat. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes! How easy was that? How easy was that? So that's lock, unlock. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, my dog came out to see what was going on as well. G'day boy. Oh, fully tabuli. Bloody hell. And that's it. All done. Just got to take it back out, tidy it, and literally the reverse process of putting it back together. You want to make sure that the gaskets down the bottom go over the door trim so that water doesn't go in and all of that stuff. Also, make sure that that module is taped down, because if it's loose, you go over a bumpy road, you're going to hear a lot of rattling inside there. With the harnesses as well, use those cable ties to tie it together Make sure that it's not bumping against anything hard, otherwise you also get a rattling noise from those harnesses. Thanks to Mod Society for sending this over. If you found this video useful or you enjoy this kind of content, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe and bell icon. I really appreciate your support here on the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.